conversation between two women friends discussing their plans for shopping. Here's the conversation. Hey, Suhani. How are you doing? Hey Lily. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you? I'm good too. Actually, I wanted to talk to you about something. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Not really. Why do you ask? I was thinking of going shopping this weekend, and I was wondering if you would like to join me. Oh, that sounds like a good idea. Where were you planning to go? Well, I was thinking of checking out the new mall that just opened up in the city. I heard it has a lot of great stores. Sounds interesting. How much time were you planning to spend there? I was thinking of making it a day trip. We could leave in the morning and come back in the evening. Okay, that sounds good. But do you have any specific things in mind that you want to buy? Not really. I just want to explore and see if I find anything interesting. What about you? Well, I need to buy a few things for my niece's birthday party. I was thinking of getting her a new dress and some toys. Great. We can start with the kids section then. I also want to check out some new makeup and skincare products. Sure. That sounds fun. By the way, do you have a budget in mind? Not really. But I don't want to overspend either. How about we keep a minimum budget of 15,000 rupees for both of us? That sounds reasonable. I'm sure we can find some good deals within that budget. Yes, and we can also enjoy a nice meal in one of the restaurants there. That's a good idea. I'm looking forward to it. What time were you thinking of leaving? How about we meet at the metro station at 9 a.m.? That way, we can avoid the traffic and reach there on time. Sounds perfect. I'll make sure to be on time. Do you have any other plans for the weekend? Not really, just catching up on some reading and maybe going for a movie on Sunday. Nice. I also need to finish some pending work, but I can do that in the evening. We can chill and watch a movie together on Sunday if you're interested. That sounds like a plan. Which movie were you thinking of watching? I heard that the new romantic comedy that just came out is really good. We can check that out. Okay, sounds good to me. Let's plan for that. Sure, it's a plan then. I'm really excited about our shopping trip this weekend. I hope we find some amazing stuff. Me too, Lily. It's always fun to shop with you. Can't wait for the weekend.